In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify thank you page. Creating a personalized thank you page can enhance your customers' post-purchase experience, leaving a lasting impression that can encourage repeat business. We'll explore a variety of ways to achieve this, from straightforward code inputs to utilizing advanced Shopify apps, and even leveraging the theme editor for deeper customization. Let's start with a basic approach that involves using the additional scripts box in your Shopify settings. Begin by navigating to the settings section of your Shopify admin and then click on Checkout. Once here, scroll down until you find the Post-Purchase Page section. In this section, you'll discover the additional scripts box, a handy feature that lets you add custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript to modify your thank you page. For instance, you can input a simple thank you message or even include a countdown timer using basic HTML. This method is perfect for implementing simple customizations or for adding tracking scripts and some basic elements. It's a straightforward way to add a touch of personalization to your customer's experience. If you're looking to take things a step further, you might want to consider using Shopify apps for more advanced customization options. There are several apps available, such as Better Thank You Page or Thankify, that can significantly enhance your thank you page with a host of features. These apps allow you to incorporate personalized messages, social media links, YouTube videos, post-purchase surveys, order tracking details, and even upsells and cross-sells. To get started, install your chosen app and follow its specific instructions to tailor your thank you page. For example, the Better Thank You Page app equips you with tools to add custom HTML, JavaScript, or CSS, offering flexibility when crafting your page. Meanwhile, Thankify focuses on order tracking and personalized messaging linked to the order status page. For a more visual approach, Composer provides a drag-and-drop interface, allowing you to customize elements like text, images, and buttons effortlessly. Before making your changes live, always utilize the app's preview feature to ensure everything looks just right. Lastly, there's the option of using the Shopify theme editor, giving you a more flexible design approach. To access this tool, head over to your online store, click on Themes, and then hit Customize on your current theme. Within the theme editor, locate the thank you page and use the available options to add elements such as buttons, custom HTML, or even liquid code. For example, you might add buttons to encourage customers to explore additional products or include custom HTML to present specific information. These methods provide a comprehensive toolkit for customizing your Shopify thank you page to both delight your customers and enhance your online store's functionality. Whether you choose a simple script edition or a feature-rich app, the right adjustments can make a significant difference in your customers' shopping experience.